Apple is moving forward with the latest Qi 2.2 wireless charging standard, as revealed in regulatory filings on Taiwan's NCC certification website. This cutting-edge update from the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, builds on previous improvements introduced with Qi 2.1, bringing faster charging speeds, better energy efficiency, and enhanced magnetic alignment. With this development, Apple is positioning itself at the forefront of next-generation wireless charging, ensuring broader compatibility while pushing the boundaries of what MagSafe accessories can deliver. New MagSafe chargers featuring Qi 2.2. According to 91mobiles.com, the filings showcase two new MagSafe charger models, A3503 and A3502, both featuring Apple's signature white puck design, now upgraded with braided cables for added durability and style. The two models come in different cable lengths. A 3503 2-meter braided cable. A 3502 1-meter braided cable. While these chargers retain Apple's classic MagSafe aesthetics, the key advancement lies in their compatibility with Qi 2.2, making them far superior to previous versions in terms of speed, efficiency, and performance. Qi 2.2 versus older wireless charging standards, a major leap forward. The most striking feature of Qi 2.2 is its dramatically improved charging speed. While Qi 2.0 maxed out at 15W, Qi 2.2 can technically reach up to 50W, a significant jump that could transform how quickly users power up their iPhones. Apple has historically controlled charging speeds, so it's unclear whether the company will allow full-speed Qi 2.2 charging on upcoming devices. For now, iPhone 16 models support upgraded MagSafe charging, maxing out at 25W when paired with a 30W charger. Qi 2.2 versus Qi 2.1. Why this matters? Apple devices have never supported Qi 2.1, despite its release by the WPC. However, the shift to Qi 2.2 could mark a turning point, allowing Apple to embrace newer charging technology without compromising on its proprietary MagSafe ecosystem. Broad compatibility, but with some limits. According to testing documents, these chargers are compatible with a wide range of Apple devices. iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 series. However, while older iPhones can technically charge with these new MagSafe chargers, they won't benefit from faster speeds. To unlock full-speed Qi 2.2 wireless charging, devices need an advanced charging chip, similar to Samsung's Power Management Integrated Circuit (PMIC). More than just speed, improved magnetic alignment. Wireless charging isn't just about wattage. Apple is also improving magnetic alignment and charging efficiency with Qi 2.2. The new standard brings white heavy checkmark more precise magnetic positioning, ensuring better attachment for MagSafe accessories. White heavy checkmark greater charging efficiency, reducing energy loss and heat buildup. White heavy checkmark backward compatibility with previous Qi chargers, making the transition seamless. These improvements mean users will experience a smoother and more reliable charging process, whether they're using MagSafe battery packs, charging stands, or car mounts.